We're at a point now where any little misconfiguration on a public-facing attack surface is being pounded on constantly all day, all night by attackers. We got to compete with that. The odds are against us. It's complete asymmetric warfare out there. I'm Ben Ferguson. I'm Chief Technology Officer at Defensive Networks. We're an advocacy and prevention company, first and foremost. We obsess over cybersecurity tools that actually work and can deliver results. We work with mid-sized, large corporations in all 50 states. The CISOs that come to work with us are saying, I need to put every single dollar to work. We roll up our sleeves and test these tools out, and we've done a ton of large benchmark studies looking at the different platforms. Abnormal's really just taking the cake right now. It shows up in the data. We had a customer in a POV, so we're running all these tools in detect-only mode. 0 misses, 0 false positives in almost 100,000 emails. I was like, oh, that is groundbreaking. The other platforms were between 500 and 2,000 misses and a whole heap of false positives. You guys dusted the competition. We're talking about magnitudes, like logarithmic differences in efficacy compared to the status quo of what Gartner was saying at the time, the most effective tools out there. At that moment, we just really doubled down on our partnership with Abnormal. The sheer numerator value of just emails that come into organizations per week, we're talking tens of millions. There's no analyst that can go through that level of scale. You need to have a tool that maximizes the efficacy of detection and prevention, and you want to have as clean of inference as possible. It is the most critical element of a tool because threats out there are wild. Hackers are pretty smart and pragmatic people, so they find ways to evade the status quo of tools. That means a lot of Microsoft business user accounts are getting compromised. Dwell time is next to 0. For that level of sophistication, probably 30 minutes for an analyst to get to a really high confidence output. The machine that Abnormal has built is doing this in milliseconds. It's putting the power of AI against the threat actor's AI. 94% of attacks start in the inbox, and so shutting down those interactions from happening, it prevents a world of hurt later. Abnormal's a household name now because other CISOs were like, I plug it in, I don't need a team of 10 to manage, it just works. It's really interesting to see the sophistication level of the attacks and how you guys are just stopping it. People are moving on with their day. Those only Abnormal catching cases are where you find the most sophisticated threats that are disproportionately likely to end up in an incident within companies. So I'll give you guys your flowers for that one.